To add a Cash App card, Visa debit card, to Venmo, treat it like any other debit card. Open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab, profile icon. Tap the gear icon for settings. Select payment methods or go to Wallet, Banks and Cards. Tap Add a bank or card, then choose Card. Enter your Cash App card details, 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV, security code, and billing zip code. You can also scan the card with your camera, tap Add or Link Card, and complete any verification if prompted. Once linked, the Cash App card appears as a payment method. You can use it to fund Venmo payments or transfers, drawing from your Cash App balance. Note that Venmo may occasionally block or flag prepaid competitor cards for security reasons, and instant transfers can incur fees, typically around 1.75%. Ensure your Cash App card is activated first. If adding fails, contact Venmo support or try again later. Always double-check details for accuracy.